Here I have OPPO A12 and today I'm going to show you how to change ringtone on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the sound and vibration, and then ringtone. Here you have the whole list of ringtones which you can change your device, on your device. You can also select from files your own song, for example. Let's listen to some of the presets. Let's select this one. I like it the most. And ringtone changed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.